This is an emergency message. The neurotoxin released by terrorist Dr. Jonathan Crane aka the Scarecrow is beginning to spread across the North American continent. Exposure to the neurotoxin causes the following symptoms: extreme psychosis, panicking, extremely aggressive behavior, suicidal behavior, and death. Government facilities, as well as police and emergency services are inoperative at this time. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. All residents of the United States are advised to head underground at once. Be sure to seal all cracks, holes, windows, doors or air ducts with tape or damp clothing to prevent the toxin from entering your shelter. Estimated time of exposure is as follows.
Black Zone: New Jersey, New York City, Delaware, Maryland, Northern Virginia, Southeastern Pennsylvania. Covered by gas cloud. Stay inside your shelter at all costs. Red Zone: Pennsylvania, Virginia, West Virginia, New York, Massachusetts, Eastern Ohio, Vermont, New Hampshire. Exposure to toxin in 5 to 10 minutes. Find immediate shelter. Do not hesitate or try to save others. Orange Zone: Maine, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama. Exposure to toxin in 15 to 90 minutes. Find shelter immediately. Carry essential items like non-perishable food, water and medical supplies to your shelter. Do not hesitate. Yellow Zone: States located to the west of Michigan, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, as well as the state of Florida. Exposure to toxin imminent. Find shelter immediately. Ensure the safety of your friends and family. Gather essential supplies. Calm panicking people down and instruct them to seek shelter.
Please be advised that being in an orange or yellow zone does not grant a higher level of safety from the effects of the toxin. The coloring depicts how much time you have left to effectively hide from the toxin. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The toxic gas cloud, which was released from Gotham City, New Jersey 3 hours ago, has now covered the entirety of North America and is currently wreaking havoc in the United States. Although the majority of U.S. citizens have successfully hidden in an underground shelter, an estimated 38% of the population have failed to find shelter and have been exposed to the neurotoxin. Those people are to be considered dead, as it is impossible to help them. Do not try to find your missing friends or family members. Do not leave your shelter under any circumstances. Reinforce all possible entrances to your shelter. Keep quiet at all times. Should anyone come to the entrance of your shelter, begging to let them in or trying to break the door, do not answer them. Do not let them in under any circumstances.
What the fuck are you staring at?
They are in a state of extreme psychosis and they will attack you on sight, and opening the entrance will cause you to inhale the neurotoxin as well. Be sure to keep your shelter airtight at all times. Repair any damage to the walls, windows and doors immediately. The government is currently working on a solution to this crisis.
This situation will not be resolved. Help is not coming. Your family members are all dead and you are next.
Do not panic.
I repeat, please panic now.
If you believe you have been exposed to the toxin,
go outside immediately to endanger more people. Look around. They are watching you. You must go outside and defend yourself. Go outside now. Go outside now. Go outside now. They are watching you. Go outside now.